Alright, a quick morning quickie here on Barry and Steven's Lincoln. I did put the new throttle link that they got from Chino and Sons, I believe that's what it's called. Let me double check here. Oh, what's that thing say? Come on. Yeah, Chino's and Sons for doing the Edelbrock carb on there, because our last one we kind of modified the OEM one. So put this baby in. I'm gonna give that a little tighten, and then I'm gonna go for a little test drive real quick, and the boys can come get the car. Okay, so I swapped out that linkage, but if you remember, we did modify the actual trapeze, so to speak. Look, got like nothing. There's like no throttle resolution at all. That little bugger came off the ball stud, so it was binding itself this way. That's why it was like nothing. Then it Alright. I'm gonna go for a quick test drive. I'm gonna call the boys.